Hi guys, in this video we are going to show you Adobe Firefly. So this is the tool of Midjourney alternative. Last video we have show you Midjourney alternative and this is called Blue Willow AI. So you can see this is same working like Blue Willow, but Midjourney has limitation. So if you create 5 to 6 images a day, then they will not create you image more and they will show you error. So now one more alternative has launched and this is launched by Adobe. So when you search on Google Adobe Firefly, so you will get this website. So also they launch explore the new Photoshop. So basically if you have Photoshop new version, so you can create AI in Adobe Photoshop. Yes, you hear right. Adobe has launched AI in Photoshop, but in this video we are going to explore Firefly. So let me click on Firefly. So you can see they have generate a lot of tools like text to effects, generate fill, text to image, generate color, 3D image and extended image. But right now we have to explore Midjourney alternative, and that is Midjourney alternative. So let me just click on the text to image. So you can see a result of Adobe Firefly and it's amazing. It's look fabulous and same working like Midjourney. So you can see this art and you can also see that is amazing art. And if you want to this pro mode, so you can get this pro mode. If you want to change some pro mode, so you can permit. But right now I am want new images. So let me just type a horse fly on the sky 8K. So I just type this pro mode and they will take some time and get this image. Also you can see they have built-in tools, like if you want to change a color, lighting, composition, if you want art, classic, neon, all these effects, and if you want size, portrait. So this is free of cost right now, but this is the beta version. So you can see the result of the Firefly and 8K. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will meet you in next video. Till then, take care.